This is Manhole cleaning robot. This is a product of Clusters Robotics. The model is Ina 6.0. This is completely Make in India product, and you can see this is the completely designed, the all-terrain design. It can work in any kind of environment. Major thing is that it's totally designed as per the Indian conformity, and it can easy to use and easy to operate. It is featured with that solar panel. Generally, these are the flexible solar panel, generally used in satellites. It's contain the towing mechanism, and is the next model would be the self-driving model, and connected with the balancing rod. Next, we will talk about the cleaning mechanism. It's a completely turbine-based cleaning mechanism. This is the drone unit. It can go inside the manhole. It can dive in the manhole and can clear the sludge and choking the sludge easily. The most competitive feature of this robot is the first-in-class turbine-based cleaning technology. It only collects the choking kind of material from the manhole. Again, it's the GPS-enabled based robot. It doesn't require any kind of external power supply. It's completely solar-based charging system. Again, it also provided the very smart console system for the operator. It provides the very shaded environment. Again, very easy to operate. Provided very easy mechanism. It will provide the kind of joystick and throttle-based system. It's very easy. System is all-terrain design. There is a hard suspension in it. All-terrain wheel unit. Again, it's very easy, and you can see there is integrated sludge collection tray also. It can automatically, it can go in below of the turbine drone and easily collect the sludge. It is very easy to use, up and down, and you can use the turbine by using that accelerator kind of mechanism. So it's very easy, and especially this part, it will provide to the operator a shaded environment, and even if they are working in the rain season, they can go inside it and easily it can operate. So it provides the shaded environment to easy to operate again. Only single part involved to cleaning the system. Only this drone unit. It dive inside the manhole. I can see. And it's very easy throttle mechanism to operate it. And it's very easy reverse and forward. You can see is a lot of sludge collected, and now there is an integrated sludge collection tray.